Guys, welcome to another week of learning at home. I miss you guys still, always, but I'm going to talk you through some of this week's stuff and kind of make sure we're all on the same page when it comes to your speeches. If you look on Monday, you have a speech graphic organizer that I'm giving you to start working on. It will look like this. So when you look at it, you may find that it's easier to print this one out and then write in it, or you could even just not print this out and just kind of draw out your own organizer that looks sort of like this on a regular piece of paper, and that's totally okay too. I want you to kind of go through this just to get your thoughts in order and to make sure that you have a strong intro and you wrap it up with a really strong conclusion, and in the process add in your points. You might have more than 3 points to include, totally okay. But I want you to just kind of think about how you're going to organize everything. This doesn't have to be full sentences, it can be bullet points, words, whatever works for you. You are going to have to submit it though. So I recommend that if you do write on it, that you just take a picture of it on your phone, or you do the scanning option on a lot of your phones. You can ask your parents to help you out, they might be able to help you out, and then just upload it that way. If you're still having trouble with that and it's not working for you, just shoot me an email or message me and let me know that you couldn't get it up. No problem, we'll work through it. Then if you take a look, that will be due. I want you to submit that by Tuesday if you can, because for the rest of the week I want you to start working on writing your speech, first giving some feedback to everyone else's organizers, but then writing your speech. So try really hard to get that all uploaded, your organizer uploaded by Tuesday. Then when you're working on your speech, just a heads up, we talked about this for those of you that joined our Zoom this past week. Your speech does not have to be written like an essay. It can just be written on like little 3x5 note cards like you used for research. It could be that you write bullet points on a piece of paper, that you type out some ideas that you're going to say in the order you're going to say it, in outline form. Whatever works for you is totally okay. I am not going to collect the hard copy of your speech. You are going to give your speech and I'm going to watch your video of it, and that's how you're going to get evaluated. So I don't need to see the written part. I've seen your outline of your organizer and then I'm going to see your speech. So the in-between stuff doesn't necessarily need to be submitted unless you want some feedback from me. But I want you to start working on that. Is it easiest? A lot of students find it easiest to use note cards and just kind of flip through the note cards as they go and glance down when they need to. Remember, this is not about just reading straight from a piece of paper. You could write it all out if you want to, but I don't want you to just read it from a piece of paper. That's what's really important here. You are giving your speech, you're going to have it mostly memorized. You can glance down for your points and ideas, but that's it. So just a heads up on that as you go through. But you're going to have Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday, and into looking ahead into next week, Monday, Tuesday-ish, to finish up all of that speech. Then you're going to start practicing it, and by Friday you're going to have it, the following Friday you're going to have it videoed and uploaded and ready to go there. So just kind of looking at the long term, that's where we're headed. So if you have any questions, let me know. Email me. If we need to Zoom about a question, we can set up a time. No problem. Just let me know what works best for you. Okay, guys? Good luck with your speeches. Have a fun week, and I will hopefully talk to you soon. See you. Bye.